name of this play is called Team Spirit. I already know they part.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
LeBron James and Spike, when you two go home, practice hard, really hard. Spike and LeBron James, you need to practice shooting and passing, playing basketball every day. That's the way you get better. I will push myself harder than I ever did before. I will make us go to the playoffs. Jay is talking about us. We got mad at him. We keep practicing until we got better and better. You too. The end.
Good job. Good job.